just turn your yarn and now here and tighten up. Slip knot ready, and this is just a swatch with 28 chain. Make 28 chain. Okay, my 28 chain ready. Now we'll start first row. First, when you start your first row, add 3 chain, and 1 2 3 3 chain. This 3 chain will count as 1 double crochet. Then yarn over and skip 3 chains on the 4th chain. See, 1 2 3 on the 4th, make double crochet here. So now we have 2 double crochet. One, I will count this 3 chain, 1 double crochet, and second this 2 double crochet. Now next chain, jump into the next chain over here, make double crochet, insert your hook, pull the yarn, pull through 2, then pull through 2. So we have here 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. Now yarn over and make 1 chain here, 1 chain, and then here skip 1 chain on the 3rd one. Next chain, skip this one, and the next one make double crochet, yarn over, make double crochet like this. So I skipped 1 chain over here, I make 1 chain here, and then make next 2 chain double crochet, 1 and 2 more, double crochet, next chain as well double crochet like this. So 3 double crochet here. I have in the starting as well 3 double crochet, then 1 gap, then 3 double crochet, and after make 1 chain, and then skip 1 chain over here, yarn over on the next one, skip 1, next chain, make double crochet. So make 3 double crochet, next 3 chain, next chain double crochet, then next chain double crochet. Here I have 3, and now 1 chain, skip 1 over here, and the next chain make double crochet like this, next chain 3. So just keep doing this, finish your row, and you can see as on my chart graph here. Now we have something like this. So 3 double crochet and 1 we have in the center gap. Just keep doing, finish this row, and I'll meet you end of my row, then we'll start second row. If you see, I'm almost my end of the row. This is like this, and here I have 2 chain last left. For this I will make 1 chain, and I will skip 1 this next chain, and on the last chain make 1 double crochet. So just 1 here. So I have here 1 last, and here in the starting 3. And now second row, turn your work, make 3 chain, 1 2 3. These 3 chain will count as 1 double crochet, and then next over here, insert your hook in next space, make 1 double crochet, 2 1 2, and then again yarn over in next chain over here in this double crochet on the top, make 1 double crochet. So it has to be 3. You see, we have 3 like this, we have 3 3. So 3 double crochet, and now we will make our puff stitch in this space. Yarn over, insert your hook in this space just inside, and pull the yarn like this, and make it little bit loose this yarn, and then again insert your hook to this. So just little bit free your hand here, and same like we will do 6 times. So 2 times done, again yarn over, 3 yarn over, 4 yarn over, 5 yarn over, 6. So we have 6 times now. Sorry. This is, and now yarn over and pull through all like this, and now close this. Here we have something like this. And now if you remember, we make in the next stitch, we already make over here 1 double crochet. Here we make already, you can see from back side. And then now yarn over and make first 1 chain. When you make this puff stitch, you closed and 1 chain. Now 1 chain and then yarn over, and we make already over here, just skip this one. Next one, skip on the third one. This we have this space on before we have this one, this last one. Now I want to show you clearly. So we have 1 2 3 double crochet on the last one, this one last. Make here double crochet. What's happened? Yeah, so here 1 2 3 we have this one last one on the top here. Make double crochet like this, and then we have this space. Insert your hook here, make 1 double crochet. So 2, we have to make 3, and the next one we have this one on the top, double crochet, make 1 double crochet. Okay, now we have 3 double crochet. Exactly we will make same we did over here, this puff stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook in this space, make little bit loose, and then 6 times, 2 3 4 5 6, and 9. Yarn over, pull through all and close it. That's it. And then 1 chain and yarn over, jump into this space, the last one, not this one, skip this one, and here the third one on the top. Grab your chain, make double crochet like this, then yarn over, next space over here, and then next. So 3 double crochet. We just have to make 3. Exactly we did on the first row, 3 3, just gap and 3. So same here, we are getting puff stitch and gap and 3 double crochet here. So just keep doing this, finish this row. I'm going to show you once again, then you guys can keep doing. Yarn over, we have 3 double crochet, go back in this space, make little bit loose this, 2 times, 3 times, 4 5 6. Now yarn over, just pull through all. Now close this. Okay, then 1 chain and jump into this third one here, make double crochet. 1 2 3. Then same again, make puff stitch like this. So you can make 5 times or 6 times, it's all depending you how you want to make your puffs. Close it and then 1 chain. Okay, now we are getting something like this. So keep doing this, finish your second row, and I'll meet you over here end of my row. I'll just finish this. Okay, my second row almost finished. I have here last puff stitch, and then I make 1 chain, and after this, if you see, we have just last here 2 double crochet left. So what we will do, we will make on the last 3 chain. We have here last 3 chain. So 1 2, skip on the 2 chain, on the third on the top, yarn over, grab this third chain, make here 1 double crochet. That's it, and our second row finished. Now you will see your design looks like something from this is back side and this is this side. Okay, now turn your work and we'll do third row. and then you can repeat second and third row, keep repeating second, then third, then second, just keep repeating. So I'm going to show you this row, third. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3, and then insert your hook in this space. So this one I will count as 1 double crochet, 3 chain, and the second one make here double crochet, so 2. Now I have to make one more, yarn over. In this space we have we have this puff stitch. If you see here, we have small round kind of space. Insert your hook, make 1 double crochet. Now I have here 3 double crochet. If you see, something like this, and then yarn over, and now I will make here in this space. So yarn over and insert your hook, pull the yarn just little bit, make loose, and then again, so 6 times, 2 3 4 5 6. So I have here 6. Now pull the yarn, pull through all, and then close it. That's it. And then 1 chain, and now we will do exactly same. So skip all, just make in this space, just before this space. So this we have here space, and just before we have this last double crochet, this one, this is last one. Insert your hook in this and make double crochet, 1, and then second in this space, 2, we have to make 3. Now third one in this on the puff stitch, so 3, we have 3. Now we will make here puff stitch in this space. So insert your hook, make little bit loose, so 6 times, 2 3 4 5 6, and now pull through all, close it. That's it. And then 1 chain, and now make double crochet in this. We have space here just before 1 double crochet we have here on the top, just to make double crochet in this space. So 1, and then this space, 2, and third one inside the puff stitch. Okay, so here we are something like this, if you see your design. And then we will make here in this space puff stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and pull through all, and then close it. Then 1 chain. Now in next we have this one, make 1 double crochet here, then second one in this space, and third one in this puff stitch here. So 3 double crochet. Now puff stitch in this. So just keep doing this, finish your row, and then you can repeat your lines. So I'm going to show you. 1 2 3, and then 3 4 5 6. So we have something like this. Just finish your row, and I will show you once again how you can repeat your next row. Here my third row end, and then here last we have 3 chain. So 1 2 skip on the third chain on the top, make just double crochet like this. That's it, finish. And then 3 chains, fourth row, start with the 3 chain, 1 2 3. This we will count as 1 double crochet, and then insert your hook in this space, make double crochet here, and then next here double crochet. Now here in this space puff stitch. So just keep repeating now. Pull through all, close it, 1 chain, and then in this one make double crochet, 2, 3, just 3, and then slip your puff stitch, 6, close it, 1 chain. So we are getting something like this. It's beautiful puff stitch design. I'll make 2-3 more rows, then I'll show you how this looks like. So keep repeating now, just this row, then again just like this.